This is our beautiful 2015 Beneteau Sense 50. She is a one-owner yacht and was shipped brand new from France and has been updated and well maintained by her owner since delivery. It has the wonderful 2-cabin, 2-head interior layout with a dedicated office space where the standard 3rd cabin would be. Let's check it out. There's a factory upgraded second arch to aft with davits and an instrument base that can accommodate solar panels and wind turbines. Also back here is the outboard engine brackets and a 4-spar dinghy motor hoist. This is a sizable yacht with a 49-foot LOA and 15+ feet on the beam that is carried well aft. This width is what allows a catamaran-like cockpit with easy entry off a broad swim platform and just one step up. The cockpit is, in a word, vast. Let's start at the dual helms and you'll notice that visibility forward is excellent. The 2 steering wheels are white carbon fiber and it has a full suite of B&G and Simrad electronics, many of which were installed new in 2020. The 2-speed winches are electric and all the control lines are led aft to the cockpit via a tunnel which eliminates clutter and tripping hazards. If the wide open stern seems a bit too open, don't worry because a transom can rise from its housing to provide extra safety. But if you want to open it up even more, the seats behind each helm station lift up and out, creating an inviting terrace. Moving forward, there is a U-shaped settee to starboard and a motorized table with folding leaves that can be raised and lowered and even converted into a sun pad with the provided cushions. On the port side, a straight bench lifts to reveal a large storage space and an optional bunk for either adventurous children or unruly crew. The decks are wide and clear with 15 flush hatches and has double lifelines with stainless steel stanchions. The stainless steel bow fitting has 2 rollers and the electric windlass has controls in the cockpit. The Sense 50 features in-mast furling mainsail with anodized mast furling system, and the mast was reduced about 3 feet for bridge clearance, so the air draft is now 70.5 feet. Other features include speakers and lights on the spreaders, 4-spar whisker pole and rigging, plus many more upgrades that you can find in the listing. Life aboard is divided into 3 areas: the easy outdoor living of the cockpit, the centralized social space of the salon and galley, and the quiet cabins forward. Down only 3 short steps, the living space is finished in alpine fruitwood with an oak laminated cabin sole. The cabin is quite wide and there are large portholes providing a ton of light and an extensive sea view. To port is a spacious U-shaped settee surrounding the deluxe salon table that can be raised and lowered with just a flick of a switch. The cocktail table unfolds to a large dining table and there is extra seating that can be hidden away for ease of movement. This section also hides a flat screen TV on a motorized lift. A really cool detail here is the hidden wine bottle storage. A nice nav table to starboard serves as a comfy place to sit back and kick up your feet for a rest. The spacious galley runs the length of the starboard side of the salon. It features an attractive gray synthetic resin worktop and fully concealed electrical appliances. It has plenty of storage, including space under the floor as well as an abundance of cupboards, drawers, and lockers. It features a 2-bowl sink with a freshwater filter, microwave, 3-burner stove and oven that can be completely hidden away. There is also a top-loading freezer and separate fridge that opens from the top or the side. In addition, there's also an ice maker neatly tucked away. Let's move forward to the quiet cabins. First, to starboard is the convenient office with its large desk area. There's plenty of room to work and storage throughout. It is very well lit and the door slides shut when you need privacy. Opposite the office is the day head and guest cabin. The guest head has an electric toilet with freshwater flush and plenty of storage and counter space and a separate shower. This combination day and guest head has a private entrance from the port cabin along with the passageway access. The sizable guest cabin to port has a double berth memory foam mattress and more than enough storage options in the form of hanging lockers, cupboards, and cubby holes. The bright LED lights and many hatches and windows provide ample light into the cabin. The master stateroom is all the way forward with a queen-sized island berth and a memory foam mattress as well. Spacious and bright, the stateroom is perfectly luxurious. Just like the rest of the boat, the stateroom boasts a great deal of storage in all its lockers and cabinets. The ensuite head has a private entrance from the master stateroom and it is bright and elegant. It also features a freshwater flush toilet as well as a separate molded shower. With its combination of excellent sailing performance, easy handling under power, and luxurious accommodations, this Beneteau Sense 50 is the embodiment of a performance cruiser. She is outfitted with many factory and aftermarket upgrades, so be sure to click on the link in the description where you can find the full specs and the asking price of this stunning yacht. Please consider subscribing for new video walkthroughs, and for more listings, visit our website.